extra large.
Thank you so much, everyone, and it's such a privilege and an honor to be here today.
The major problem that most people have is that you have a good idea, but you are afraid to start. One of the things that we teach at Extra Large is never be afraid to start.
Money, I look fly. Yeah, I look good.
Please add what? Value. Add what? Value. For example, if you are going to produce corn and sell corn the way our great grandfathers they planted it, you can never break through. Oyinbo people took our corn and they turned it around and gave us cornflakes.
Deliver me for my frenemies.
Extra large! If you are proud of that award in your hand, it says you are a passionate farmer. You know, your own farming not be my mouth. You have proven it. Can you wave it, let the people see it? Extra large!